Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel, and in today's video we will go through the best features of the Moto G85. For starters, go to Moto folder and then go to Moto app. Scroll down a bit and go to personalize. Here you can choose your theme, choose your font, even your colors and icon shape. But if you want more, go to fingerprint animation and choose between chroma dial, boomerang or radial waves. Now a smooth touch to your phone is the edge light, and you can choose between dark blue, light blue, magenta, orange or white when receiving calls, alarms or apps notification. Now if you want to clear all your recent apps but keep YouTube, click on this button, and when you click on clear all, the YouTube will stay open. If you want to make a screenshot but without entering the app, click on this button, click here and you can personalize it without entering the app. You can do this with multiple apps. Google, YouTube are both locked and I can't clear them. Unlock them and click on clear all. Now if you really want to stand out, go to dark mode and you can choose transition, and it will automatically enable dark theme at sunset and disable it at sunrise. You can click on save, and when the sun is down it will go through a transition to the dark mode. Thank you guys for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.